my God, guys, she said she's on diet. But look at her body. I mean, it's okay, but no one gonna get fat if your body is like that. If your immune, our immune is too fat, your fat, no one gonna get fat. Depends. I get not a price, but I never get fat. So tell me about yourself. What you been doing? You work at night? Right? So, right? So, what time you start going? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. So, what time? 6. So, when you get home, it depends on Sunday. So, how many subjects in high school you got? How many subjects? MWMs, there are 3 subjects. So, it's different from way back before. That's before when I was studying, it's 7 subjects in high school. I had 7 subjects, but think about you don't have, if you are young student, you don't have mathematics subject. All of science and humanity.
Oh, okay. So how come they don't have math subject? You have an idea?
Because it's not
Important?
Yeah. It's
Really
not important in my course.
What's your
Yeah, it's
If you
important.
take a course, what kind of course? If you're gonna get, what kind of course do you want to take? Law? You wanna be a law? Okay, that's good. Good luck. I hope you pass law. It's expensive, you know.
No, it's free and Pasay.
Pasay? Oh,
It's free. You need to study.
Oh, yeah, you need
Then
to
they have a allowance.
scholar, scholar. It's just free and they're gonna
Yeah.
give you a scholar, I guess. I don't know if it's then no one gonna give you this. It's just gonna maintain your grades in a school. So how many siblings do you have, Big? 5. Which one are you, the oldest or the youngest?
Eldest.
The eldest. So I seen you here walking out looking for someone. What? You're going back home or what?
I'm going back. But I saw you.
But I saw you first, girl. You were just
Yeah,
then
yeah.
you were standing up there.
They just offered me about
Yeah, to do an interview. Oh, okay, that's good. So you said you had boyfriend or girlfriend
yeah,
until now? Where are you at?
4 years.
Where are you at? Business? Oh, if you are his boyfriend, why you guys don't live together? If you guys are not boyfriend girlfriend, why you don't stay with them?
Be practical. Now you need to be practical.
For practically, it's
Because-
foreigner, right?
No,
It's not foreigner.
it's all about now. It's all about money, right?
Yeah,
I
but
have
no.
boyfriend Filipino.
Ah, okay, it's not a foreigner.
No, it's
Oh, I thought it's foreigner. So he's in Manila also. He's
Yeah.
from Manila. Oh. For 4 years. That's good that you are. He still take care of you. He know where you at, right?
Yeah,
He know where's your job.
yeah.
But have you had foreign boyfriend before?
No,
Never experienced. But I'm sure you had a foreign experience.
yeah. Just playing.
Just playing, not playing with money also, girl.
Yeah.
Right? It's not just playing.
I'm not playing without money.
Yeah, see, because playing is just playing for me. It's not gonna get money from them. Just play for play, just to have fun. But it's called practical. You said you need to get money.
Yeah.
Yeah, because when it comes to foreigner, right? But to the Filipino boyfriend, I'm sure you're not gonna charge him because he's your boyfriend.
Yes.
So do he know that you do booking?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Since before getting together.
You know, and he accept you.
Yeah.
That's good of him. So did he try to stop you? Did he try to stop you?
I said to him, if you're not, it's not okay.
How old is your boyfriend? Same age as yours. Do he have job or still studying?
Never.
That's good that he have a job that you don't have to give him a money, right? Because some of the Filipino, I'm not saying all.
I'm a breadwinner.
That's why I do this job. That's why I do this job. Then I have a
Yeah, you have to take care of your family at
then I
the
have
same
to pay
time.
their stuff.
Yeah, you have.
I need to pay. Yeah, it's
I thought it's free.
yeah, it's free.
But for your
But,
transportation project,
Yeah.
but the project, like how much a month do you spend like every month? In 1 month, how many projects do you give to your teacher
I think 1,500
for 1 month?
No.
For a day? Like how?
I think 2 weeks. Because every teacher, every day they have a assignment.
Yeah.
You need to research, you need to clean. So it's expensive.
Assignment is just for free. You just have to answer it. A friend not gonna cost you for
How about the research?
the
How about
research.
the
You can use
printing?
your
How about the printing?
the printing not gonna cost you like 5,500. It cost you like 5 peso.
But I don't have printing.
Yeah, 5 peso. But I'm not sure. I'm
Not 5
sure.
peso. 10 peso.
Yeah,
Black
okay.
and white. From now on.
So as a student, because mostly at your age of 23, the student now, they don't really use pen anymore when the teacher give them some
Yeah.
things to copy. They
They-
just use your phone
Phone
taking pictures, right?
Yeah.
Have you experienced that you have to copy it? Like,
Yeah, they have a teacher like this.
yeah, no, not now, but way back like 5 years ago,
Yeah.
I always, on my
But
school,
they don't have well,
no,
plus-
5 years,
Yeah.
this
plus
just
five.
happened, like,
That's why
even
they're
like
like
K to
this.
12, they're too easy.
Yeah.
The student now, you don't have to write that long paragraph just to, but it's easy for them to take a photo.
It's accepted on the teacher.
It depends on the teacher. I don't know, but I hope teacher now are good, right? But it's scary
not all.
here. It's scary here because you cannot discipline your student, guys. Because if you discipline them, the parents will complain and the student will post you on social media. Is it true, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's not like before. And the student now, if they see you in the street, you're a teacher. If they see you in the street, they don't say anything. But way back when I was studying, if I saw my teacher, we always help them, saying hi. But now the students are really different. The what you call this? The generation of 2020. So ate, if you got chance to have a foreign boyfriend, would you take it?
No,
Why
I
not?
don't waste my
You don't wanna lose your boyfriend? Oh, that's good. So it's just for you just to have fun and get some money. Okay, that's nice then that you love your boyfriend. Yeah, tell you guys
I love him because syempre tinanggap niya ako dito.
Kasi actually,
Yeah.
you are.
Since day one.
That's good that you're not gonna. I hope that your boyfriend will not leave you like. I hope he love you like how the
It's okay
way.
on me because you know
If he
what
leave
what
you,
is my job?
if
It's the reason. It's the reason to leave me.
Yeah, I mean, because you said it's okay with you if he leave you,
Yeah.
but you don't need to
It's okay.
love him like full love. You should.
I love him so much,
Yeah.
but except on him,
Yeah.
if he want to leave me,
Okay, but you know I'm saying.
it depends on him.
If you love him, you have doubts in yourself that he's going to leave you and you don't know when. Because depends on your job. You should just if you should save yourself, not don't love him so much.
Yeah.
Save like maybe 50%. Don't get too attached with
If you
him.
think if I love him 100%, I do this job.
Yeah, if everything you should understand. You said he understand.
Yeah, I understand. But not for the old time.
So how many customer you sleep with? If you can remember. For how long? You've been sleeping with the partner.
How many?
Yeah, if you can remember.
Lahat?
No,
So-
if you can just remember.
So many. I can
So many. So So for how long you've been coming here?
6 hours.
6 hours a day.
Yeah.
So how many years or
Not
months
every day.
Not every day. So you got day, like maybe the best day is
If I don't
Friday, Saturday.
Yeah. No Friday.
No
Because my study MWF. It's important Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I go here Tuesday if I don't have study.
I understand. No, it's your
Tonight, Monday.
right. Okay, so
I go night,
Monday night and then go home at night. So if you, how many years or months you've been coming at Borgo Street?
Is it 6 months?
6 months. Because it's different. That's your work. But do you guys do extra service there?
Yeah? Yeah.
I hope it's safe. You don't know what's police gonna do.
It's not all the time.
But it happened in your massage.
In 6 months, I think 10 times. It's just 10 times. Because I told you I'm not
Yeah.
going here every day.
So, but it happened inside your salon massage. But
In the room.
in the room?
In their room.
But it never happened in you personally. It's just other, cause someone spy like that. No, spy. You know, spy. A Filipino guy will ask you to do. No, I mean that your workmates. Your workmates. I'm talking about your workmates, not yours, right? Okay, that's good. So, do you use condom? Do you guys have hygiene?
As always.
Okay. Because some of the guys here, they don't like condoms. But I don't judge girls because some of the girls, they will go it without condom for money. Especially when they need it, diba? Okay, well then guys, let's do fast talk. Just make one. Sex or chocolate? Sex or chocolate?
Sex.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights on.
Favorite position on bed?
I'm in the car.
How old are you when you got your first blow?
First blow 18.
18. How old are you when you lost your virginity? Big move.
Oh my God.
Okay. Alright, that's good. Always take care of yourself, girl. And always use condom because it's not easy to get when you get sick, you know, just for your health. Can you do 360?
No.
She don't know what 360 is. This. Turn around.
No.
Okay, Ate, thank you for having me here. We're good. Ano?
Social media.
Social media. Please hit the like button, guys. And don't forget to comment down below. And just gotta keep busy. It's easy to hit the like. Don't be hating. Just kidding. Join patreon.com and go and subscribe to my channel, Filipino Opera and Tom Yum Lechon Roll. And that's it. We're good. Thank you.